Okay, today's a pretty cool day because I have my amazing granddaughters, Emma and Lydia here. And whenever they come to the house, they like to come down here in the shop. And one of the things that they really like to do is drill holes. So with that in mind, the other day, I took Lydia and we went down to the treat store, which is right down the road here, the place we go to get treats when they come over and all. And I introduced her to the proprietor of the shop down there and said, "This is my granddaughter, the amazing Lydia." And the lady came back and said, "Wow, that's the first time I've ever heard anybody with the first name Amazing. That's pretty cool." And Emma here is amazing too. Real good, smart kids. And they just love coming here to the shop and making holes. So let's see you take those Eggbeater drills and knock yourself out some holes in that piece of poplar. Pretty neat, pretty neat. And you could almost make patterns by doing that, which would be pretty cool. Okay, you gotta go the other way to drill it in. The way you're doing it, oh, you're taking it out, so you gotta pull it up because you're taking it out. There you go. So the cool thing about these is you don't have to worry about the battery being bad in it. You don't have to worry about plugging it in. They just come down here and enjoy just making holes. A good old-fashioned way to make holes. They get the biggest kick out of it. So with that, if you got grandkids, take them down in your shop. Give them a hand tool. Let them play with it. Teach them how to use it right, how to use it safely, and let them experience that. It's a great thing for them. These guys, like I said, they love coming down and doing this every time that they're here. So with that, we'll ask you for any comments or suggestions that you might have, and strongly suggest you teach your little ones how to enjoy some of the basic elements of woodworking. And as always, well, thank you for stopping by. There, you did it.